What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be adding a new section, and that is going to be about me. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to hit add a new section. I need a full width right here. Yes, so a full width is gonna come here, and you can see that it is right here. What I want basically right now is that I want to give the background to this column right here. So I'm just gonna come here and I want to hit edit section. Okay, and the section is going to be, just come here to style. Let's just come here to gradient, and the first color is going to be blue. Okay, and the second color is going to be white. So you can see the gradient effect. I'm just gonna come here, and the location you can see, I want to bring this down. This location should be set to 0, and you can see the effect, and the angle is going to be the full angle. That is going to be the 90 degree. So I want this location to be, so you can see how this is looking. Okay, same like that, what we can do is that we can just remove this section and we can add 2 columns right here. This might look great as well. Let's just come here, let's just hit this, and this looks cool. Okay, now what I want to come here to this guy right here, and I need the heading. So the heading is going to be about me. Okay, and I want to come here to style. The text color is going to be white, and this should be coming to the center. So I want to increase the size. Let's just come here to typography. Let's increase the size. Okay, this looks cool. Now what I want, let's just choose a different color. So this color is going to be black or a bit of gray. About me. Okay, let's just come here to style. Let's just increase it. Okay, this looks cool. Yes, I want the font to be Open Sans. Okay, and I want the weight to be 600, 300. 300 looks good. I want the letter spacing to be more about me. Okay, and then I want, okay, I want nothing right here, but I want to give some spacing right above. So you can see I want this some spacing right above. So I want to go to Advanced tab, and you can see that it says the padding. So I want to give the padding to the top. Padding means spacing, and it is inside this. So I want inside spacing, not the outside. Outside spacing means margin, and inside spacing means padding. So I want to give some inside spacing. Okay, I want to go to just make sure that you hit this. Okay, and then add the padding. So I want to add some padding to be 25 pixel, not a 250, 25. So 25 pixel looks good. Okay, and I want to just come here, and you can see that this has been added. So I want 2 columns right below. I want to come here, right here, and I want to drag these columns. So you can see these columns are coming. I want to go to, for first one, I want the text editor. And for the second one, I want some of the progress bar. So you can see that the general elements, we have progress bar. So I want to drag it right here, and you can see that this is coming. I am gonna just copy this and duplicate it, duplicate and duplicate. So I need 4 scales right here. So you can see that they're coming right here, and I also have an about me section. So now what I want to edit this. So I want to paste some content right here. So you can see it has been added. I am going to change some right here. Okay, and I want to go to style, and I want to change the text color to be full black. So, and this should be changed to HTML. HTML. Okay, and this should be 92%. So this is default one. Okay, so I want to show the percentage, and the inner text is nothing. Or let's add the inner text only. Okay, HTML. Okay, and let's just delete it. So HTML is coming right here. Then we have the, let's just come here to CSS. Okay, let me just delete this and let's add some right here. So this is going to be CSS. Okay, and I want to increase this as well. So this should be increased to 89. Okay, same like this. Let's just come here and let's delete it. Let's delete it, and let's come delete. Let's come here and duplicate it. Duplicate, duplicate, and duplicate, and duplicate. So I have these. So I want to come here to CSS. I want to change this to JavaScript. So these are basically coding that I am adding as a skill to myself. So you can see JavaScript is right here. Okay, and JavaScript is 80%. Okay, now when I come here, and this is going to be PHP. So it should be, and this is going to be WordPress, and this one should be UX/UI. Okay, and this should be fine. Okay, so you can see how this is looking. If I just click here, and you can see how my About Me section is. Okay, this is the About Me section. This is about myself, and these are my skills. So you can see that my website is just simple and the basic and amazing, and it is copying just single one rule. I want my theme to be blue, and you can see that everything is blue, white, and black, nothing else. So make sure that you just go with 3 main colors and copy them. Only one green is right here. Then we don't have any of the color right here. So you can see this is how it is looking. This is looking the simple, the basic, and amazing. Everything is looking cool. I am just copying this. You can see this is blue. This is the color is blue. This is the blue. This is blue, and everything is blue. And this is looking so cool, so amazing. So now we're totally done with our About Me section as well. Okay. So in the next video, we're gonna add some more. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this, and goodbye.